Welcome to SS Creative Kids. I'm Sidiksha. Today we are gonna do a peacock. Things needed are two A4 size color papers, blue, green I took. You can take any color also, and a glue stick, scissors, pencil and marker. These are the things you need. Now let's start. So now first we should have to take a green paper for feathers. For feathers, let's take green paper. Now we should have to fold it like this. Wait, I'll show you how. Now like this we should do till here. So now friends, I have been folded. See, it should come like this. When you press, it should have to go like this. So this is for feathers. Now after doing that peacock, we should have to paste it like this here. That one. So our feathers have been ready. Okay. Now you should have to keep this aside. Now you should have to take a blue color paper. Now we should have to take this paper. We should have to cut half. Not half, only just we should have to fold half. Like this you should have to fold, and you should have to draw the peacock here. See. See now, I draw like this. You can draw it in any shape also. So now we should have to take a sketch pen or a marker, and we should have to make it darker. On both sides, second side let's do after cutting. So now friends, I have been darked with the marker. So now you should have to cut it. Wait a minute. So now you should have to take a scissors and cut it. Now we have been cutted it. So now let's draw it in another side also. With the marker only let's draw, because we know the shape of it now. So now friends, we have been drawn here also. So we should have to paste it here. Now I'm taking a we call glue. So now friends, we have been putted her gum, and now we should have to friends now we put it as gum, and now we should have to paste it. See our peacock is ready. So now you should have to take this. So now friends, you should have to take, we did the before one, no? And you should have to take the glue also imported here. If you don't have glue, you can use tape also. So now this is there, no? You should have to keep it like this. So now you should have to paste it. So now we have put it gum, and you should have to attach here. See, now one more side also we should have to keep gum, no? This also has been attached. Here white gap is there, so we should have to paste there also. Gap is the bit. So now our peacock has been ready. Okay, then let's go back. So now friends, our peacock has been ready. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in next video. Bye bye.